Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the TP-Link TL-SG105. It's a 5-port gigabit unmanaged Ethernet network switch. It is also an Ethernet splitter and it works plug and play. It's a fanless metal design device and it comes with shielded ports, traffic optimization, and of course a really long term of use, because we can use it not only with 5 ports. It's also on the market with 5-port enhanced features, or 8-port, 16 ports, and of course 16-port enhanced features, and of course 24 ports and 24-port enhanced features, and the big one is 48-port. Wow, this is a big one. Here it comes with a 5-port gigabit switch. One switch made to expand our network 5 times in this case to a 10, 100 or 1000 megabit per second RJ45 port supporting auto negotiation and auto MDI and MDIX. It's a gigabit that saves energy. Latest innovative energy efficient technology greatly expands our network capacity with much less power consumption. And it helps save money. Oh yeah, this is the big, nice fact. And it's reliable. And quiet, of course, because there's no fan. IEEE 802.3 X flow control provides reliable data transfer, and fanless design ensures a quiet operation. And of course, it's plug and play, so it is an easy setup with no software installation or configuration needed. We have advanced software features, prioritize our traffic, and guarantee a high quality of video or voice data transmission with the port-based 802.1p DSCP QoS and IGMP Snooping. And sturdy metal case, fanless quiet design. This desktop or wall-mounted design comes in operation temperature from 0 degrees Celsius up to minus 40 degrees Celsius. Oh yeah, these are 32 degrees Fahrenheit to minus 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And it is really nice for our network. Increase the performance and we can expand our gigabit network. 5-port is here in this case possible. Gigabit ports for more reliable speeds. We increase the reliability of our connected devices with the TL-SG105 5-port gigabit desktop switch. 5-time non-blocking gigabit ports enable an instant transferring of a large bandwidth intensive file without interference, because a wide connection is the best choice for gamers and for all who like speed at home. And we can make a multiple user scenarios. This desktop switch provides an easy way to increase the reliability of our network service connections whenever we need it for our home or office network. This device helps us to get business done easily. For a computer, for a gaming console, for printers, and of course for smart televisions. This is a switch made to connect. It can easily expand our network in a number of ways. We simply connect it to a Wi-Fi device, such as a router or a range extender, and we transmit reliability internet to up to 4 connected devices to experience better performance. We have high quality metal surface. It is only 0.98 inches high and 3.94 inches in the wide, and the deep is 3.85 inches. Premium quality, long and lifetime, baby. It features a durable and sleek high-quality glazing, innovative green technology, ghost-safe energy, and shielded ports to prevent the static interferences when transferring files. It's an advanced feature for a better experience. Administrators can use QoS to designate the priority of traffic, For example, prioritize our cameras or IP phones to ensure that the voice and the video application remains clear and lag-free. Maybe. And the IGMP snooping for multicast optimization. IGMP snooping. Optimize multimedia traffic delivers to ensure a better network experience, especially for applications like an IPTV. And it's really easy plug and play. The plug and play design makes setup easier than ever before. No IT professional is required. Each board features the auto negation feature to sense the link speed of a network device and intelligently adjust to ensure the compatibility and, of course, the best performance. We plug it into a power socket, so we need a power supply. Then we connect devices like an IPTV, a printer, a computer, or an internet cable. And after this, we can enjoy the traffic. These all features comes with a TP-Link TL-SG105. It's a 5-port Gigabit Unmanaged Ethernet network switch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.